Hello, this is Gameli, RevitTunes.com. I'm not gonna fix my tag right now, but I could fix my tag and move it down, or maybe I should do it. Edit family, edit tag family, yes. So this is the tag. I will move it down just a little bit, and let's reload it. Alright, and I'm waiting for reloading. Okay, so if you see, I just move it down so it's more readable. Obviously, probably it's too much, but I try to show the point of fixing this tag. Now I will touch it, create similar. Let's tag this one. I have 4, so they are tagged, and we know each one has a different mark. The number 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. Now let's look first on the properties of each diffuser. Mark. This is the mark, and it's under identity data. Every diffuser is getting its own mark automatically. Now let's open the sketch we did before, and I have it open before. Schedule, airflow schedule. I will view tile, this tile, and I think the family is still open. I'm gonna close the family. I will not save that family because it's for the exercises. Now let's do a tile again, so I have 2 files only open, and let's see. Now we are going to edit this schedule. So let's maximize this to work better on this. Let's do the properties. So view properties. Now right here in the bottom we have this new tab called embedded schedule. Let's click there. So as I am adding the embedded schedule, I'm gonna cancel and explain what is gonna do the embedded schedule. Okay, so for instance, we had some air supplies already, diffusers, and we added in the, let's see in which room was, that was one of these where the calculated value was. Okay, right here on this room we have calculated value of this, and we put several or 4 diffusers. Now we want a schedule of what kind of diffuser in each room. Some will have 4 of the same size, some one of one size, another one different size. So we need to see the schedule of each size on every room. So I want to add another schedule that is going to be embedded of this schedule. So this schedule is the schedule of the spaces and the airflow of each space, and it's helping me to determine when I do have enough air supply diffuser. Now inside I want another schedule where it tells me what type of diffuser has each room and how many of them. And if you remember here, let's go switch to the other window. The first schedule is reading properties of this space, and those properties, just to remember everybody, those properties are these properties: calculated supply airflow and how much I have on those diffusers. And the schedule is reading that and getting a calculation, subtracting how many diffuser I'm putting, so it let me know if I need to put more. Now I want to add a schedule inside embedded of some information of each diffuser, and it's gonna read from this diffuser some of these values. It's gonna tell me the mark, the flow, and the name of what it is, which is this and this. So let's do it. So I tiled those two views, so I go back to my schedule and I will look the properties, and now I add the embedded schedule inside there. Now I need to select this in order to give me the option, and it's gonna be on air terminals what I'm gonna add. So it give me this information is what I could extract to air terminals. So I will need to extract system type first, system type, then type, oh, is this type, system type, mark and flow. Mark, that's the number we talk about, and the flow is the value. And it's still on embedded. I'll go back to embedded before I need to sort it, and I will sort it by mark just to have some organization. And I say OK, and it's already embedded, and it's OK. And let's maximize it here. Now this room has 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the type, and this is the system type, and the mark, so I could identify in my 3D, and the value. Now I could add 17 CFM to one of these. So let's put this, let's say to make it closer to 0, just to play around with this. Let's say I do 50 this, 50 this, and when I make it 400, let's see, I have 3, oh, this one is missing a 0. So I had 3 CFM closer. Now one is 400, one 350, 350, and it's telling me number 12 is this 400, number 11 350, number 10 350, and number 109. So let's view it. So now it makes sense why all this big deal right here. So I want to zoom out. Now I selected the 400 is this. So now it's highlighted and it says the mark is 1 and 1, 2. Is this the one is red? The one is red. So I zoom 112. Now if I select the one 350, you switch to another one. I'm gonna zoom out. So it tells me this is the one 350 that you selected is 111, the mark 111. So that is the purpose of this embedded schedule. Very cool. So let's leave this video right here, and please watch the next one, revittunes.com, and the next one will be placing air handling equipment.